What's up guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. If you're on YouTube channel, make sure you go down below and hit the subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. And let's jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to go into a hardcore mode here. So I'm not going to want build a castle in hardcore, but I kind of actually want to make it creative though. Right, I never done a creative world before, but I don't know. Right, what would I do in creative mode? If this didn't work, I don't know what's gonna happen to me in creative. So if I spawn in, I think I will be done. Logging in, alright. Right, get you into I literally just here. If I what happened when I just wait, I just glitched out right there, but if this didn't work, I don't know what's there happened, but holy moly, hey, yo, look how humongous this is right now. If this didn't work, I just know what's gonna happen to me. Jeez, what do I want in create of here? I have a thousand of here right now. I'm not even kidding. I want search for mango swamp. So I'll just get an elytra and then flowers. Where can I get flowers from? They're down there. We go. Blue wheat. That blue wheat. Yeah, no. There is blue, brown, and maybe something like that. But then just there we go. Okay, keep on going, boys. Right. I think you should keep on. Wait. You just literal. Wait. Okay. Where do you no, there's this. Come get or something. Oh my! I quit. No. You cannot take my candies. No, you cannot take my candies. No. Give me that. Come on.